You are not visible. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are
How
you
are
all?
Good
you?
evening, sir.
Yeah, good
Yes,
evening.
sir. Fine, sir.
Okay,
And you, sir?
I'm also good. Fine, thank you. So,
Oh,
how are you spending your time? It's going well?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very
Yes, sir.
nice. Okay, yes. Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
Yes, I hope
Good
all
evening,
of you are
sir.
doing
Good
well.
evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
really. Yes.
Yes,
So let's
Yes,
start
sir.
this
We are fine.
class. Okay, let's start this class with some interesting questions. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
I'll ask you some
Yes,
of the
sir.
Ye-
questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The first question. How many of you like traveling?
yes,
yes,
sir. Of
sir.
course.
Almost
Yes,
Raise,
sir.
all
raise,
of
raise your hand.
sir.
Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Those who like traveling, raise your hand. Very nice. Many people I can see. Okay. Very nice. Many hand raise are there. Very nice. Okay. So when you travel, how do you travel?
By bus, by train.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
By bus, by train, by cycle, on foot.
Okay. Very
yes.
nice. So when you
By
travel,
public transport, sir.
okay, public transport also. Very nice. So how many of you have the habit of reading newspaper, reading some posters, banners there on the road? How many of you do that?
Me,
We
sir.
all,
Uh,
sir.
we also.
Yes,
Acha.
a little
Yes,
bit.
sir.
Okay. Recently, Vicky, have you read any poster, any movie poster?
No, sir, because I am not going anywhere.
Okay, because of the lockdown. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, so those who are going in their local areas, yes, Saurav,
Yes, sir.
I know you have the habit of reading banners, posters, banners you
Yes, sir.
read. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Where some of the beautiful girls are there and many other advertisements. Yes, isn't it? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes. So when you read that, why do you read?
For some information,
Hmm.
but sometimes it's looking different from other posters.
Okay, fine. So how many of you, yes, how many of you have the habit of reading? You read. Sometimes whenever you get time, you read. Very nice. Raise hand, raise hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. I can see many hands. Very nice. Okay, fine. So let's start this class. I'm sharing something with you. There, I will continue. I will continue with these kind of questions. Okay. Can you all see one
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint?
yes,
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes. Is it clean?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Clear.
Can you
Yes,
read?
sir.
Can you read?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
A
Please.
accomplished
Yes.
an Academy of English for competitive exam.
Okay.
Dr. Amit Kumar,
Fine.
mentor. A accomplished online academy.
Thank you. Okay. So I'm just moving on to the next slide. This. Many of you said that you have habit of reading. Okay. How can
Yes.
I know? How can I know? If you say I cannot trust completely, so let me check. So for that purpose, I have put one link here. Can you all see the link?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If I click this link, a form will open. See? Can you all see that form?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
I
Yes,
have
sir.
also sent, I have already sent you, just now I have sent you this form to your WhatsApp group, to our WhatsApp group. Okay. All of you quickly,
Yes.
yes, all of you
Okay, sir.
quickly
Thank you,
go
sir.
to that, go check this link and send your response. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Can you all see this? What is this? Can Asis, can you read? Or somebody can you read? Simran,
Yes, sir.
Can you read? What is this reading habit? What is this form about?
Sir,
Or anyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
Ashish.
not visible.
Okay, can
No,
you read?
sir. Sir, only reading habit and link is in front of my.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
Link
sir.
is there.
I have already sent you. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
yes, I have already sent you. All of you, please check. Yes, oh,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
understood. I understood. I have not shared this.
Yes, sir.
Let me share it. Okay, I have just shared you the slide. I will share you the link also. Now you can check the link.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now can you see?
हाँ
Yes,
अब दिख गया सर बिल्कुल
Yes,
अब दिख
ओके,
गया यस सर
चलिए पढ़िए जल्दी जल्दी आशीष क्या है और उधर अपने रिस्पॉन्स भी देते जाइएगा.
ओके सर
ठीक है
रीडिंग
पढ़िए.
हैबिट
हम्म.
दिस फॉर्म इज डिजाइन टू डिस्कवर योर हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग मतलब ये
Okay.
फॉर्म जो है सर हमारे
हाँ.
रीडिंग हैबिट को डिस्कवर खोज करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है
ओके.
इसमें पहला है सर नेम
No need
उसके
to
बाद है
explain. No need to explain. Just
ओके
read.
ओके ओके
हम्म.
ओके सर हाउ फ्रीक्वेंटली डू यू रीड द फॉलोइंग रीडिंग मटेरियल्स प्लीज सेलेक्ट ऑल द अप्लाई टेक्स्ट बुक always usually sometimes rarely never practice set newspaper magazine blog website film review story
हम्म.
and uh,
Okay.
yes sir yes sir flyer class notes flyer brochure pamphlet dictionary editorial
हम्म.
and what kind of difficulty do you face in reading
Okay.
difficult
Anyway.
to understand
Yes. Please read.
difficult to understand vocabulary
Hmm.
pronunciation grammar and sentence structure slow reading speed and not interested in reading सर
Okay.
ये
Very
एक
good.
फॉर्म है सर
हाँ
yes sir
फॉर्म आ गया है तो ये लास्ट
Yes,
में
sir.
यू हैव टू सबमिट इट. ओके.
ओके ओके बाद में
Fine.
सबमिट करना है सर
Yes.
Yes,
Just
sir.
take 1 minute. It will not take much time.
हाँ हम लोग कर रहे
Okay,
हैं
sir.
सर
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. I'm receiving all the responses here. I will show you that also, the response.
यस सर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड हो गया
Okay. Fine.
yes,
sir,
sir.
I-
मैंने भी भेज दिया.
चलिए.
Yes,
ठीक
sir, I
है.
submitted.
Okay. Very nice. All of you are very fast.
Problem, sir.
Done. Very nice. Let me just check now. Can you all see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Okay. I will go to the result. Okay.
यस सर
Yeah, I will check the result that how many of you have submitted. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Can you all see your response? 15 of
बिल्कुल
you.
सर
Yes, sir.
15
Yes,
of you
sir.
have submitted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Neha, Ashish, Saurabh,
15
Akash,
response.
all the names are
Yes.
there. Okay, let's see. How frequently do you read? For this question, many of you, very good, many of you, 15 of you have said that you read textbook always. Okay,
Always.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
okay, fine. Never one. अच्छा वैसे भी लोग हैं जो never textbook never you never read textbook. Okay, practice set.
Who
Fine.
is he or she, sir?
We will check. We will check. Acha,
Okay.
I'm interested in newspaper. 7 of you have said that you read newspaper.
Always.
Very nice. Always. Okay.
Yes,
6 usually, rarely. 2 magazine, many. Okay. Blog. Okay. This is the calculation. Very good. Means on average, all of you read everything. Okay.
यस सर
Website,
Yes.
website, film review. Google is the Badshah. No.
यस सर
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
everything
Yes.
according
Yes,
to
sir.
Google. Now the Hindi is Googleanusar these days.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, film review. Most of you must be interested in. Story, class notes, definitely. Whatever I give you here, class notes, you read that. Good. Okay. Flyer, brochure, dictionary, editorial. Okay. Now the difficulty in reading. In this difficulty, many of you, most of you, 11 of you have the problem in difficulty to understand vocabulary. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. The next
Yes,
one is after 11, 8 people have problem in pronunciation in reading. When you speak loudly, when you read loudly, then you have a problem of pronunciation. And when you read silently also, मन मन में आप pronounce करते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Bilkul.
Yes,
After that,
sir.
we have difficult to understand. 7 of you are saying, okay, grammar and sentence structure में problem है. Okay, fine. 7 of you are there. Slow reading speed. 6 of you are saying not interested in reading. Surprisingly, nobody. Very nice.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All of you are
Yes, sir.
interested in reading. Good. Very nice. Thank you. Now, let me go to the slide once again. Okay. Many of you have said that you read. Very good. Let me go to the next slide. Now I have understood all of you read. Next is, I hope you all must have understood that we are focusing on reading today. Is it?
Yes, sir.
The class
Yes,
is
sir.
reading.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
But before I go on the reading, as you have said that you frequently read, let me take one. That was a survey. Okay. This time it is a test. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Time I am
Yes, sir.
here. You cannot give me bluff. Okay, you cannot bluff. Let's check. I will show you many slides, different types of text material, because we have many things. You know,
Yes, sir.
we have
Yes,
many
sir.
Yes, sir.
many things to read.
Yes, sir.
For example, what are the things you read?
Book, magazine,
Hmm.
newspaper,
Magazine,
Newspaper,
posters, flyer, newspaper.
Editorial.
Yeah.
auditorium.
magazine,
Yes.
Yes.
Many things were there. Let me check.
flyer,
Yeah. Now it is a check.
blogs.
Yes. Now let me find out whether you can identify this. कितने लोग इसको पहचान सकते हैं? ठीक है कि कौन सा किस टाइप का मटेरियल है. टेस्ट स्टार्ट
Yes, sir.
करें.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
चलिए हाथ
Yes,
उठाना
sir.
है, हैंड रेज करना है और बोलना है. ठीक है? क्विकली.
Okay, sir.
ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. एक स्लाइड 2 से 3 सेकंड आपको पहचानना है. ये गेम है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज दिस?
Textbook.
Book, sir.
Yes,
दिस इज अ टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके.
Textbook, sir.
हाँ, उस टेक्स्ट बुक का टॉपिक क्या है लेसन का?
Language and
Language.
communication.
Communication and
Okay.
communication.
फाइन. दिस?
No,
Magazine.
magazine.
Magazine, sir.
ओके. ये क्या है?
Flyer, sir.
Flyer.
अब नासा का ये दिन आ गया, फ्लायर निकालेगा.
Notice, sir.
Notice.
The notice, sir.
Notice, sir.
Okay. I think this is a report. Okay, submitted
Okay.
by NASA.
Report, sir. Report, sir.
Yes, report. Good. This?
Report.
Newspaper, sir.
Newspaper.
Newspaper, sir.
Yes.
Newspaper.
Okay. Next. This?
Blog, sir.
Auditorial.
Blog, sir.
Blog.
Blog, sir. Blog, sir.
Blog.
Blog,
Okay.
sir. Blog.
Yeah. Yes. अरे लिखा हुआ हम समझ गए.
बिल्कुल
Yes.
सर, ऊपर लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, दिखावे पे ना जाए, अपनी अकल लगाए.
Yes, sir.
स्प्राइट. ये?
Review. Film review.
Yeah,
It
film
is
review,
also-
sir.
Review.
Yes, sir. Review.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We like film review.
This one?
ये सर वो क्या कहते हैं?
This
Dictionary.
is?
Wave.
Dictionary.
Yes, web. Web. Who said web?
Yes, sir. Vicky.
Oh, super Vicky.
Thank you, sir.
आजकल वेब सीरीज बहुत देख रहा है नेटफ्लिक्स का.
With English subtitle.
Oh, good, good. What is this?
Diary, sir. Diary.
Diary,
Yes.
sir.
Diary.
Okay.
Diary.
This?
PPT. Presentation, sir.
Is it presentation? It
Yes,
looks
sir.
like
Yes.
presentation, but see the content. What is there inside?
Content. Yes, sir.
where the mind is without fear, it's a
Yes.
poem.
The thought.
Yes sir, yes sir,
Poem, yes,
poem.
sir. Poem, sir.
ये शायद 12th में पढ़े हैं सर ये
हाँ,
poem,
where the
शायद.
mind is without
Where the
fear
mind
is a
is
poem
without
written
fear.
by
Yes, sir. It's a poem.
Will
John Keats.
Shakespeare.
अगर नहीं कुछ है तो शेक्सपियर तो सब कुछ है ही, लिखा ही होगा। हाँ, ओके, ठीक है। ये रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के द्वारा लिखा गया पोएम है, ये फ्रीडम के
ओहो।
ऊपर है, ठीक है।
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
एक इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया कैसा हो उसके लिए है, वेयर द माइंड इज विदाउट फियर, लेट माय कंट्री अवेक, है ना लास्ट
गीतांजलि में
लाइन।
है सर ये।
हाँ, गीतांजलि,
It's in
यस, दिस इज पब्लिश्ड इन गीतांजलि। थैंक यू वासव।
Uh-huh.
यस, दिस वन।
Example.
हाँ, एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज एग्जाम्पल, बट व्हाट इज दिस? It doesn't look like a paragraph.
Yes
sir.
sir.
Like
Yes,
definition.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Paragraph on?
Paragraphs.
Paragraph on what?
Mastercard.
Master card.
Mastercard.
Mastercard.
Okay. What is this?
Plastic money.
Hmm.
ये
Mail, sir.
mail
Mail,
mail
mail,
mail.
mail.
Email.
Mail,
Email.
sir.
Yes. What is this?
Letter.
Yes, sir.
Letter.
Application.
Very good.
Letter
This is a
application,
letter.
yes,
Okay.
Yes.
What is this?
Editorial.
Editorial.
How do you know?
No sir, letter from editor है सर ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
ये letter from editor है.
Editor.
This is
Oh, yes, sir.
letter to editor, not from editor. आप देखिए,
Okay,
editor
sir.
को लिखा गया है.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. Editor को लिखा गया letter.
Yes. Letter to editors. Okay. This.
Yes, sir.
By Ken Hoover.
हाँ. Okay. This one.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Story.
Yes.
Story. Yes, sir.
Story, sir.
Yes. If this is a story now, then this is the end of the story.
Okay sir.
Oh,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you, tell me honestly, how many of you could identify at least there were 18, 16 to 18. How many of you could identify more than 10?
Yes sir.
Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Me, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 से ज्यादा पहचान लिए थे सर.
Oh, great, great.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now let's go to reading. आप ये सारा reading materials था. These were different
Yes.
types of reading materials. So let us, if we want to understand the mechanism of all these reading materials, let us understand what is reading, isn't it?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what do you
Yes,
think
sir.
what reading is? Can you explain, any one of you? What is reading?
सर जब किसी चीज का मतलब नॉलेज के लिए, जब हम नॉलेज प्राप्ति के लिए कोई चीज पढ़ते हैं
Hmm.
तो उसको रीडिंग स्किल कह सकते हैं सर.
Okay, उसको reading बोलते हैं. और कोई? Reading क्या है? What is reading?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. कोई भी चीज नया जानने की क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है या फिर कोई भी नया चीज सर
Hmm. Hmm.
जो आया है, जो अभी फिलहाल क्या चल रहा है या क्या हो रहा है सर,
हम्म।
एवरी नॉलेज फॉर
हम्म।
पर्पस फॉर नॉलेज,
Hmm.
तो उसे रीडिंग हैबिट कहते हैं।
अच्छा, कुछ भी अगर वो न्यूज में चल रहा हो तो भी वो रीडिंग है?
नहीं सर,
नहीं सर, वो नहीं सर, वो
जब हम पढ़ेंगे तभी तो.
तो एनी रिटन मटेरियल, अगर कोई
Yes,
भी
yes.
चीज लिखा गया है तभी उसको पढ़ा भी जाएगा, है ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो एनी
Yes, sir.
रिटन मटेरियल, ओके, विच इज यूज्ड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन गैदरिंग, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रीडिंग.
रीडिंग.
और रीडिंग जो होता है वो एक तरह का स्किल है हमारे लैंग्वेज में, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में. if you want to learn any language, you have to be well, good, skilled in
Yes sir.
4 things.
Yes, sir.
What are the 4 things? Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Fine.
हाँ,
So
बिल्कुल.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
तो सब, अगर आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज जानते हैं तो आपको लिखना, पढ़ना, बोलना, सुनना मतलब सिर्फ सुनना नहीं, समझना, ठीक है? समझ
Yes,
के,
sir.
हाँ, सुन के समझना. All these are called,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
yes, understanding.
Yes, sir.
Fine, whatever you listen,
Yes, sir.
they are called different skills of language. So उसी में एक जो skill है वो है reading. So what is reading now? Let's see. First thing, reading is an ability. ये क्या है? This is an ability.
एबिलिटी।
Ability मतलब आपको ये skill होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Ability मतलब
means sir,
योग्यता
समझ,
सर.
योग्यता, ठीक है.
yes,
हाँ,
sir.
सक्षमता,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
You need to be able. You need to able to interpret language. Interpret means to understand language either in written form or printed form. जो कुछ भी लिखा गया हो या प्रिंट किया गया हो, that is called
yes, sir.
रीडिंग. तो
Reading.
उसको समझने की क्षमता को, अगर कोई भी चीज, if anything is written or printed, if you can read and understand, that ability is called reading.
Reading.
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Next one, this is an ability to process information. Process means if you read anything, definitely there'll be something new, isn't it?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes
some
sir.
new information will be there, and what you do, you try to understand it through a process. Your mind does a process to understand that, isn't it? So that is also,
Yes sir.
that also
Yes,
comes
sir.
under reading. If you read and try to understand it through processing, okay, that is also
Yes sir.
an ability.
Reading.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो वो रीडिंग कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट वन, an ability to integrate the new knowledge with the previous knowledge. As I told you in the second point, it's an ability to process information. How do you process? As I said, whenever you read something new, okay, or whenever you read any text means जो भी लिखा गया है उसको text
Yes.
बोलते हैं. When you read any text, what happens? There are something new, some new information will be there, and
Yes sir.
it's not that you don't know anything about it. अगर अभी कोरोना के बारे में, कोविड-19 के बारे में, या पीएम केयर के बारे में, या कोई भी अभी इंडिया चाइना क्लैश के बारे में कोई भी न्यूज आएगा और आप पढ़ेंगे, तो इट्स नॉट दैट only new information will be there. You also have some information. Okay,
Yes.
you don't
Yes,
in
sir.
advance.
Yes.
Is it or not?
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो आपको भी तो
Yes,
पहले
sir.
से बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन है. तो क्या करते हैं, तो जो न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन है, आपको पढ़ने के बाद जो न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन मिला और जो आपका प्रीवियस नॉलेज है उसी एरिया के ऊपर, उसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, तो यू ट्राई टू प्रोसेस इट. ठीक है, क्या नया है, व्हाट इज समथिंग न्यू, व्हाट यू डोंट नो. फाइन. सो
Yes.
you
Yes,
try
sir.
to understand that. Okay, if you
Yes.
try to accommodate means जो भी नया है उसको अपनाना, उसको अगर अपने माइंड में प्रोसेस करके स्टोर करते हैं, वो जो प्रोसेस है वो एक एबिलिटी के थ्रू आता है. ठीक है, वो एक स्किल है. आप जितना पढ़ेंगे, जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा पढ़ेंगे, उतना ज्यादा ये आपका एबिलिटी डेवलप होगा. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो
Yes.
रीडिंग. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay, now if it is clear, let's go to the next point. जैसे कि रीडिंग है, उसमें बहुत सारा और भी स्किल का जरूरत है, छोटा छोटा. जैसे कि बहुत बार हम ये आपको एग्जांपल देते हैं कि इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू कुक, अगर किसी को बोलते हैं कि अगर कोई खाना बनाने जानता है, अगर कोई मान लीजिए कंप्यूटर चलाना जानता है, तो उसको कंप्यूटर चलाना या कार चलाना जानता है. इफ somebody know how to drive a car, it means there are many things required in that, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या चलाना, क्या क्या आना चाहिए कार चलाने के लिए?
बैलेंस करना,
How to
और
balance,
ट्रैफिक का,
वो भी एक skill
yes, sir,
है.
ट्रैफिक का
Yes,
नियम,
ट्रैफिक का नियम जानना, वो भी एक स्किल है, नॉलेज है, इंफॉर्मेशन है. और क्या चाहिए? कैसे हम कहेंगे कि वो
Knowledge
आदमी कार
about
चला
cars,
लेता है?
sir.
and post reading.
Yes.
Knowledge about accelerator, brake.
हाँ, no, you must know about the how to accelerate, how to use brake, है ना? तो ये सारा,
Yes.
Break.
About gear,
या
which
वे-
gears.
यस,
Repeat
गियर का
that.
इंफॉर्मेशन नॉलेज होना चाहिए. तो ये सारा छोटा
Steering
छोटा,
information.
यस, हाउ टू बैलेंस द स्टीयरिंग. तो ये सारा छोटा छोटा इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरऑल मिलके बनता है कि आपको आई हैव स्किल टू राइड
Drive a car.
बाइसाइकिल और ड्राइव अ कार, इजंट इट?
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
इसी तरह
Yes, sir.
रीडिंग में भी छोटे छोटे स्किल्स का जरूरत पड़ता है. क्या क्या स्किल्स का जरूरत पड़ता है? पहला, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द, पढ़िए.
Understanding
Understanding.
Understanding the topic.
the
हाँ.
theme and topic.
एक आदमी कोई पढ़िए, कौन पढ़ेगा? विक्की.
Yes, sir. Understanding the theme and topic.
ठीक है, उसमें क्या होना चाहिए
Yes, sir.
एक रीडर को?
एक सर वो थीम क्या है, वो सर टॉपिक
हाँ.
क्या है, उसे
हाँ.
सबसे पहले अंडरस्टैंड करना होगा.
ओके, और नेक्स्ट?
अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पर्पस ऑफ ए टेस्ट,
कि
वो
वो
जो
किस पर्पस
टेस्ट,
के लिए लिखा गया
यस
है
उसका
ना?
पर्पस क्या है।
हाँ
यस सर,
ठीक है। अगर अगर कोई बैनर है तो बैनर का पर्पस क्या होता है?
पर्पस एडवर्टाइजिंग।
एडवर्टीजमेंट करना है ना,
Yes, sir.
लोगों
यस
तक
सर, यस
इंफॉर्मेशन
सर,
पहुंचाना है ना।
यस सर,
टेक्स्ट बुक का पर्पस और बैनर का पर्पस सेम होता है?
कभी नहीं
नहीं
सर,
नहीं।
सर,
नो
No,
ठीक है,
नो
sir.
सर,
तो हर एक टेक्स्ट इसका मतलब अलग अलग पर्पस के लिए लिखा जाता है ना। तो आपको
यस सर,
पर्पस जानना पड़ेगा, व्हाट इज द पर्पस, ओके, फॉर विच दैट टेक्स्ट और दैट मटेरियल इज रिटन। फाइन, नेक्स्ट।
यस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ टू प्रोसेस इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन कॉन्टेक्ट।
ठीक है, किसी खास कॉन्टेक्स्ट
यस
में,
सर,
किसी खास सिचुएशन में, जैसे अभी कोविड
यस सर,
19 है, तो उसमें कोविड 19 के सिचुएशन में कोई भी टेक्स्ट आप देखेंगे कोविड से रिलेटेड तो समझ जाएंगे, अच्छा ये कोविड से रिलेटेड है, क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन होगा, तो आपका माइंड एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, कोविड के
यस सर,
लाइन में सोचने लगता है ना।
Yes.
यस सर,
यस,
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट।
नोइंग द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड।
ठीक है, तो
यस,
नोइंग द
यस सर,
मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स, ये भी बहुत
वर्ड,
इंपॉर्टेंट है। इफ यू डोंट
यस
अंडरस्टैंड द
सर,
मीनिंग, इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीटली।
अंडरस्टैंडिंग,
यस,
यस सर,
नेक्स्ट।
understanding the structure of the reading text.
Understanding the structure of the reading text.
यस, स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स हाउ अ टेक्स्ट इज रिटन। ठीक है,
Yes,
बैनर हो या पोस्टर हो या न्यूज़पेपर का जो जिस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, क्या वही स्ट्रक्चर जो है सेम एक्सपेरिमेंट वाले बुक का होता है? क्या सेम
no
स्ट्रक्चर
sir,
रिपोर्ट
no,
का होता है?
no sir,
नहीं होता है। ठीक है, क्या
no,
सेम
yes,
स्ट्रक्चर नॉवेल का होता है? नहीं होता है,
No, sir.
no sir,
है ना।
No,
तो
sir.
उसका स्ट्रक्चर समझ के भी हम लोग देखते हैं कि अच्छा ये इस टाइप का इस पर्पस के लिए लिखा गया है, तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा होगा, है ना।
Yes.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
यस,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट। अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
Identifying main points and supporting detail.
हाँ, तो आइडेंटिफाई जब करेंगे मेन पॉइंट और सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स को, ठीक है,
Yes,
अगर कोई टेक्स्ट है, कोई पैसेज है, ठीक है, उसमें कोई तो मेन पॉइंट होगा और कोई सपोर्टिंग डिटेल भी
Yes.
होगा, है ना।
yes,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो वो भी
Yes, sir.
समझना बहुत जरूरी है अगर किस पूरे पैसेज को समझना है तो, है ना।
yes sir.
यस, नेक्स्ट।
Understanding the examples and illustration.
इलस्ट्रेशन। हाँ,
Yes,
बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स, you can find many examples and illustrations. There are different references, examples, okay, real life examples, everything to support all these main ideas and supporting details, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that makes your comprehension clear. Okay,
yes sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
next one। अगर आपको ये पूरा ऊपर से नीचे जितना पॉइंट है पूरा अगर ठीक से आ रहा है, if you are able to
Reading,
understand all these points,
reading
then
and yes sir.
finally you will comprehend the meaning of the entire text. Fine, then you can
Yes, sir.
understand complete text. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ashish, can you read it quickly for revision?
Yes, sir. Skills required in reading:
Hmm.
understanding the theme of topic, understanding the purpose of a text, understand how to process information on context, knowing the meaning of words, understanding the structure of the reading text, identifying main points and supporting details,
Hmm.
understanding the examples and illustrations,
Hmm.
and comprehending the complete meaning of a text.
यहाँ तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Any problem?
No, sir.
Anybody has?
No,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
Is it clear what reading is?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Skill
Good.
required,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Now you did it. Okay, different types of reading text, written text you have just done. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let's categorize them. Let us categorize them. सबको कैटेगरी में बांटते हैं, अलग अलग कैटेगरी का होता है। एक टाइप, one type you have general type of text, that is from media, text, book, poem, play, these are all general type. Next one,
Yes, sir.
fictional type. Okay, please read.
Yes, sir.
Sumedha,
Yes, sir.
please read.
Okay. Types of written text.
Hmm.
General type of text: media, text, book, poem, play. fiction text, fiction, literature, novel, legend, story, tale.
Hmm.
Non-fiction
Hmm.
text are non-fiction, essay, article, magazine, newspaper, speech.
Hmm.
Reference
What
text.
is the difference between fiction and non-fiction? Fiction is
So fiction means not related to reality. It is totally, yeah, yes, sir. It is
it's
not
based
related
on,
to reality.
yeah, based on
Imagine.
imagination. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Imagination. Yeah.
Like
Non-fictional
Hollywood
is,
movies.
yes.
Like Hollywood movies.
Yes,
Fiction
yes.
means, sir, larger than life.
Yes, larger than life. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes it has, these days we have real life also. Okay. And non-fiction
Yes,
means,
sir.
non-fiction means which are based
Which
on
are
facts.
based on
Real
reality,
life.
sir.
Yes, real life, which are based on facts, evidences, data, all these. Fine.
Yes.
So what are the
Yes,
sir.
texts we have related to that? Non-fictional?
Non-fiction. Yes, a non-fiction, essay, article, magazine, newspaper, speech. These are the main texts which are related to non-fiction.
Correct. Next one.
Hmm.
For reference, we
Reference
also
text.
use. Sometimes we do not understand the meaning of the main text, then we take reference from other materials, other written
Yes,
materials.
sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Like?
Yeah. Like a manual, dictionary, encyclopedia, report, article, journal. These are yeah,
Yes.
these are the reference texts.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Another one is notes and messages.
Okay.
So these are, yeah, not much letter, note, and messages.
Very
These
good.
are yes, sir. This is all about the
Yes.
types of written text.
Did you all understand it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. We'll do this activity. Okay. We'll do this activity now. All of you, please take your newspaper. Today, Ashish had shared the newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, in our group. Have you all checked?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
of you, please open it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. And then I will ask you a few questions. We'll have activity now. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So this is
Yes, sir.
first session is going to get over here. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next session.
sir.
Yeah, we'll go to the next session.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you do one thing. जो भी हमने अभी तक यहाँ डिस्कस किया है, एक बार उसको रिफ्लेक्ट कीजिए, सोचिए, और साथ में न्यूज़पेपर जो है आपके व्हाट्सएप पे जो गया है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
जो
Yes, sir.
न्यूज़पेपर, ये देखिए, ये जो न्यूज़पेपर अभी आशीष ने आज भेजा है, ठीक है? All of you just see that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
जैसे देखिए, मैंने शेयर किया है, ये आज का ही द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. देखिए, द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर
Yes.
है आज का ही, दिल्ली का. जल्दी से एक बार जो है, ऐसे ही क्विकली बस ऐसे देख लीजिए. जैसे बहुत लोग तो फोटो देखते हैं न्यूज़पेपर में, पढ़ते बहुत कम है.
Yes, sir.
Now, how
Yes,
many of you check all the photos, advertisements, flip?
फोटो भी देखते हैं सर और पढ़ते भी हैं सर.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Yes,
No.
yes.
Many of you have said that. Many of you have said that you have a habit of reading newspaper. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
फोटो ज्यादा देखते हैं सर, न्यूज कम पढ़ते हैं.
Okay. Very nice. और इस पे जरा भी घमंड नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Right.
start from sports page
Okay.
or Bollywood page.
Oh. Why?
अगर कोई सिर्फ फोटो अच्छा लगता है तो सर उस न्यूज को पहले पढ़ते हैं.
Okay. Good. Very nice.
Absolutely correct. Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Let me check your newspaper in knowledge. How many segments we have in the newspaper?
Many segments, sir.
Many,
All
sir.
people have, sir, priority, different
No
priorities.
problem.
They
No, what are the segments we have in the newspaper?
The basically
National,
six
national news,
segments:
sir.
National
International
news.
news,
Okay.
economy,
Okay.
local news,
Okay.
social,
analysis,
economical,
editorial,
Okay.
Political.
Political.
Sports news,
Sports.
advertisements,
Advertisements.
entertainment,
Okay. Entertainment.
sports.
Acha.
Yes.
Or
local news,
local news. Okay.
local
Yes,
news,
sir.
Related to
TV,
Business
science.
news.
Related to
Business
science.
news.
Yes.
Chemistry, sir. Stories,
Okay.
motivational columns,
Yes.
And
Yes. Very nice. Very
and
nice.
cartoon for
information.
business news.
Business news
career
also.
news, sir.
Career
Yes.
news.
sometimes
Corner, sir. Cartoon
sometimes
corner.
are funny
One by
funny
one. One by
columns like
one.
those.
Some of the funny columns.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let me ask you one thing before I conclude this session. Okay, we'll go to the next
Yes.
session in 2 minutes. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will leave you with one question.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Yes, sir.
When you read a newspaper or when you
Yes.
read a reading comprehension in your for your for your competitive exams, all of you must be doing it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Many of you read in the newspaper, many of you read all the important news, all the important information, or many advertisements. Okay. Many of you must be, you must be interested in sports. Some of you must be interested in economics. So like that. Question is, do you read all the written items in the same way with the same purpose? No, I'm not.
no, sir, no.
I'm not. Don't answer me.
Okay.
Okay. Think
Okay.
about it. Okay. In the next session, we will discuss how these are different and how to solve our reading comprehension passages. Fine. For competitive
Yes, sir.
purpose. Is it clear?